this is the fire station, and you can see all the fire trucks. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 fire trucks. Now let me show you the downtown. Here is the construction site. You can see that the excavator is working there. And here is the superhero Avengers set. Now, I built this in a set, and I am happy to show you this. All of this is the maintenance works. And that's the vacation house. You can see the palm tree. And that's the police station. With the police vehicles. Because that is the hospital. You can see that there's a hospital sign. And last but not least, actually, I'd like to show you my military vehicles. You can see the army truck and the tank. And there's a Ferrari there. I don't know why it's there. Then we got this cool space station. Now, I built this in a set, and I would like to announce that this is the end. Oh, I forgot to show you. This landfill set. I didn't just make it. I just built it all by myself without instructions. So this is the end of this video. Bye. Like it?